Okay, this is the first day. I'm gonna start creating a project. Um, the goal here is to creating SaaS product, cloud-based, and I'm gonna create a project um, to help manage or to help people connect each other. Um, the use case scenario is I was doing a course and then I thought this course um, had multiple people all over the globe and I couldn't connect with each of them, and then I decided, okay, can I send a message for each of them individually, or maybe I can just drop my LinkedIn. I did that, drop my LinkedIn, create a WhatsApp group, and create an Discord group. Nobody joining, and then I thought, okay, maybe it's not because the people don't want to join in the community, but it's also a problem that people could not find the link, or maybe didn't have time at that moment to join in the community group that I created. And then I decided to send some invitations for random people, and most of the people that put some comments in the community. And then crossed my mind the idea to make a SaaS product that we can create channels for connect people that are doing the same course. For example, let's say I'm doing AI course, so I have more 20 people doing the same course, the same uh, time. And for example, 2025, this is the date we are recording right now. So this 20 people is gonna automatically have a link for this platform community that is about to create. And all of the 20 people just with the email and later on password can join in this community and share thoughts and feedback from the course, and also attach files. So it will be a collaborative tool that the only purpose is to connect people. And yeah, we also can maybe in the future get some rates, because imagine all the students can join in this group community, and then they can provide feedback, also rating the course. So if the company, which is the course provider, wants to do business with this platform, they can purchase this tier. And I didn't think about it, but maybe it's a good idea to provide the service to other people, like keep public the rating for that course. Let's say I did a course like management system 2025 with other 10 people, all of them, and so we got like 11 people doing the course at that time period of the course time. And then we have the rating, and the rating will be the average of those 11 people. And then other people also can check, okay, this course might worth it, my money. So yeah, this will be a plus later on. So the first day, I'm sharing here just Google, right? And I'm gonna bring the AI ChatGPT. So I'm gonna use this free tool, and I'm not paying anything right now. So the first step of creating a startup, we started with the idea. Yeah, this is the first step, idea. But idea means nothing if you don't take action. So the first step, actually the second step after the idea is come up with some documentation and maybe a business plan. If you're familiar with how to create a business plan, you can do it. But I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to create a business plan based on my notes, and I'm gonna put some notes here, and I'm gonna share with you guys later on. Okay, let me share the idea. I already talked to you, but now I'm gonna type in and the results. I'm gonna show the results later on. Just give me 1 second. I'm gonna type. I want to create a SaaS cloud-based platform to support students or doing online online course and for it they can join in with their email and password. The goal platform is to build a network between the students. Then they can share their thoughts and also files between the group. Okay, so I'm gonna okay. This is the main idea. Um, Now I'm gonna prompt to please. I want you to create a um, brief because the ChatGPT. I'm not expecting that he's going to create the whole business plan. I'm gonna refine later on. Briefly create a business plan for days. Sorry, platform and and provide me a steps to create a MVP. Okay, for those that don't know, MVP is the most valued product. Is the I would say the core feature of your idea, like your product. So we're gonna start by creating an MVP, launch in the cloud. Probably gonna use Azure. So once the MVP is ready, I'm gonna ask for a group of people, like select people to test and get some feedbacks and refine, fix bugs. And after this first round test, depending on the results, I'm gonna pitch to see if we can find investors, or in this case, we're gonna just launch and invite people. And if you are familiar with some marketing campaign, you can run some campaign on Facebook, um, even LinkedIn. You can run some campaign on YouTube ads, Google ads as well. So, but or Instagram as well. So I didn't decide yet, but the goal here is to expand less as possible until we reach an investor, an angel investor. And I believe this idea has a great potential, especially if we connect with the right companies and if we connect with the right course platforms. And by default, we are the group of these platform and like doing like a B2B. Actually, this is the model of the business. It's a B2B business. Uh, I'm just emphasize that it's a B2B business. So I'm gonna reach out with a company provider, course provider or institution, I don't know, and then we're gonna provide this environment for the students. So, but we're gonna this is the idea, and we're gonna refine. This is the first step, the first video as well. So I'm gonna hit enter, and I'm gonna share the answer. Okay, so let me bring his showing here. And okay, yeah, ChatGPT knows my name because if you type something about you and you ask ChatGPT to save your information in a memory, uh, he actually saved this information about you, like personal information, and then you can access later on here in your profile settings and go on. So I can create a course about ChatGPT later on. I'm very familiar with. So okay, breathe. Business plan followed by the step-by-step guide to build your MVP for a B2B SaaS platform for online courses to students. Yeah, looks good. Business plan brief. Problem, students enroll in an online course often lack of structured way to connect, collaborate, and share resources with their peers. Yeah, looks good. This is the first. Yeah, the problem. Yeah. And the solution, a cloud-based SaaS platform that enables students to enroll in the same course to join a private group with email and password, collaborate via chat, and file sharing and discussion boards, build a professional network with fellow students. Yeah, I'm thinking here, this is very interesting because private group, email, password, and chat. Okay, chat. We also can have like a AI chatbot helping them to type, etc. But just thought that crossed my mind. Yeah, target marketing, primarily online course platform, consider edX, Udemy structures, and yeah, so on. There is so much more. Uh, this I will need marketing and sales um, department to tackle those approach and how we're gonna do this like page, but this is will be later on when we already have like an engine to invest in this idea. Even if I think okay this idea worth it, I can also be my own angel because I have some saves that I can put it down, but whatever. Secondary universities, boot camps, and training. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, revenue model. Oh, he also provide me some revenue. I didn't thought I know that is really good and have a great potential because when it comes with students and many course nowadays, digital course are like good for flexibility. You can work from anywhere in the world. So if you are providing like in the English language, it will be um, also easy to catch up. So revenue model, B2B subscription model, monthly or yearly plans per course or institution, tiers, basic up 38 users, pro up to 100 users, enterprise custom. He also gave me that screen that showed the tiers for the company. Yeah, and I would like to also provide um, maybe for small companies like but I doubt that in a course will be less than 30 users for an online course simultaneously. I don't know, maybe or maybe not. Um, yeah, I can think about free tier because yeah, we can revisit that. I don't believe this will be the final business plan, but this is for starting is a good starting point. Okay, unique value proposition. Yeah, it focuses distraction-free platform to the learning community, unlike Slack, Discord, or WhatsApp, which is earning optimized for student groups. Yes. Key features: course-specific group, secure student login, chat discussion board, file sharing storage, profiles networking, admin tools for instructors. Sorry. Yeah. Admin tools. Yes. Hmm. I don't know if we're gonna we're gonna create an admin tool or admin. I don't think we need an admin. I think maybe the approach that moderator is more suitable in this case because thinking about the WhatsApp, for example, you create a group. If you created you are admin of the group, you can have access to the settings. Yeah, this admin tool will be the settings of the group. Each group has your own settings, and the moderator or admin. Yeah, yeah. Maybe we'll just do exactly as WhatsApp is doing because it's already validated and is working. So MVP development steps. Okay, developments are interesting that he suggested the development steps. So, okay, phase one, planning. Yeah, defining core features, user registration, logging, codes group creation, basic chat on forum. Yeah, it's good to emphasize all of this because right now we're think about the core of the platform, like the MVP, right? The MVP, we have to do everything, but this is not too much. So, yeah, I believe. Yeah, I thought the same thing about no, I'm not gonna yeah, the stack I'm gonna front end React or Next.js. Yeah, this is a good framework, Next.js I'm familiar with. Database, I like Postgres, SQL, it's a good one. MongoDB is NoSQL. I like to go with the Microsoft SQL because in Azure I know you can use no C Microsoft SQL as a service, so I'm gonna go for it. And file storage, yeah, file storage S3 definitely it's the best one in my opinion. And maybe I can use like this cloud hybrid cloud or multi-cloud concept that we have our um, maybe our Docker uh, application, Docker containers in Azure, and the S3 will be the files that people are sharing. Yeah, I'm gonna define later on, but I like the suggestion. No, I'm gonna create my own authentication. I'm gonna use .NET Core, .NET Core 8 because I'm not gonna use 9 and 10. It's about to come at the end of this year, 2025, but I'm gonna use the 8. Then I'm gonna migrate to 10. So hosting, yeah, I'm gonna use multi um, cloud like AWS and Azure. Mm, I don't know if I'm gonna use Vercel to host the Next.js. They are really good and they solve a lot of the issues with the refresh and some issues with the Next.js when you're building the front end SPA. But anyway, I'm gonna decide later on. Maybe I can test Vercel and Azure. If I do like a quick, I don't know, maybe if I use like just a SPA concept for this purpose, it might work. Yeah, because basically, yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna validate it later on. Phase two. Okay, this is the phase one. Yeah, planning and yeah, looks good. Planning and the stack. Phase two, design UX. Wireframe the app. Use Figma. I like Figma. Mm, I like Figma. Yeah, I might use that. Um, what I did with potential users. Interview 5, 10 instructors or students to get feedback. This is interesting. This is we call like mm, the our search like we have to validate our idea, right? There are a couple of steps that he didn't mention here before, but before the idea, I mean, after you have an idea, you have to do some research, see if your ideas already exist, and even if it's already in place, maybe the person that or the company will develop your idea is not that big. So maybe you can do the same thing and identify the weakness of that product and improve in your own product because it's okay have the same idea and you can do this research for sure. Validate the potential. Yeah, I'm not gonna dive in this detail right now because this is just a brief. But later on, I'm gonna definitely create. Uh, okay, so everything this phase or this task, everything that we have to do, I'm gonna create this as I'm gonna use a Scrum and I'm gonna create each task in a maybe splitting by epics and user story. So I'm gonna work alone, but even though I'm gonna do um, to I'm recording this video just to show how we can create a startup from scratch. So I'm gonna do everything and I'm gonna record everything. So then we can learn. Even I can learn by my mistakes during the course and also you can see how you can do your own startup. Maybe you have an idea and you don't have anyone to talk to, or maybe if you needed an example, I'm trying to provide one. Okay, yeah, new UX, build MVP, develop core features. Okay, this is okay. Create admin tools, develop MVP from the end. Okay, wait for test, iterate. Yeah, this one I was talking about. Um, maybe we have one company to interact with the platform, maybe some users to test. There's a company that I hired before to do a task, and then we iterate the features and fix bugs. Yeah, that was exactly what I thought. After phase B2B pitch, yeah, this one also is to maybe find an angel. And as I said, depends of the results from this phase. I'm gonna even I can be my own angel, so I don't have to split my shares with anyone right now because in order to get bigger, I will need more money and help. But yeah, okay, no, I like it. I like it. I'm gonna click like it because he did what it's supposed to do, and I asked just for that. Okay, this is the first step. I can come up here and copy these. Okay, later I'm gonna copy these. Yeah, so this is the first step. Yeah, I believe I'm gonna summarize everything that I said. Yeah, first you come with an idea. Second, you should, right, validate your idea, see your competitors, see their weakness, and make a better product. And then if you decided to compete with people there are in the market, so you do that. So otherwise, you can select another field to work on. But that will be the second step after your idea. The third step is once you validate your idea, you decided to go for it, do a business plan. Nowadays, AI can do it for you. You can see exactly what I did is just one prompt, and you can just ask ChatGPT to create, and he can even help with step by steps. So that's it. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in next the second step, and see you next time.